Okay, in order to do our screencast, we're going to use a tool called screencast-o-matic. It's at screencast-o-matic.com, right up here. Some of the better features of screencast-o-matic are that for free, it allows you to record up to 15 minutes. It'll host your 15-minute screencast, and it'll record your screen and your webcam if you wanted to. It'll publish to YouTube, or it'll download it as an MP4, AVI, or Flash movie. Those are the free options they give you. The only thing that you have to deal with is the fact that there's a watermark on your screencast that says Screencast-o-matic, which for what we're going to be using it for, just fine. For those of you with Macs, Macs don't always get along with Java very well, so I would suggest the option of downloading and installing a hard version of Screencast-o-matic. It takes you to a CNET page which will have you download the tool itself. We'll give it a chance to do that. Almost there. So on your Mac, you'll go to install Screencast-o-matic. And you'll just drag that app into your applications folder. Once it's in your applications folder, you can open it up. It'll ask you to check it out for the first time. We don't want to enable the pro features. That'll just ask you to pay money. If you want to pay money, go for it, but I like using the free version, so I'm going to click Use Free Version. And then I get the Screencast-o-matic frame. You can drag it around. You can resize it. To fit your screen. And once, let me move it up a little bit. Once you want to start recording, all you have to do is hit the record button down at the bottom. It'll give you a countdown, and now you're screencasting. And you'll whatever your tutorial is, you'll move through the process of recording your video. You can see down here that they give you 15 minutes to record. I guess this shows the level of your mic that's being used, and the red scrubber shows you how much time you're spending. So that'll go all the way across here to fill up your 15 minutes when you're done. And when you're finished, just click Done. It'll give you a preview. And now you're screencast. And you'll whatever your tutorial is, you'll move through the process of recording your video. The preview looks good. Then you can either publish it to Screencast-o-matic, you can publish it to YouTube, or you can download that video file. I always go with downloading the video file because then you have a hard copy on your desktop. If you're using a Mac, QuickTime's the best. If you're using a PC, I would use the Windows Media, the AVI version. Okay, when you download it, you can, depends on the size you want. In this case, HD size is good enough for me. And I'll save the video. Save it as Screencast-o-matic. And it'll download your video. From there, you can upload it to YouTube if you choose, and that'll work just fine for embedding into any web page you might be using. Okay. So simple little tutorial on screencast-o-matic.